In this video, we are going to create the spare parts brands. To create the spare parts brands, you have to go to the master and then you have to go to the spare part brands. Once we go to the spare part brand screen, we can enter the spare part brand name. Let's say Mahindra. If you want to give any remarks, you can give the remarks. Set this as active. By default, it is set active. And then save. You'll get a message saying record saved successfully. Now, once you get the message, and as you can see, the brand is created below over here. So that's how you create the spare part brands. Thank you.